Good afternoon. The weather is still amazing. Look at this beautiful day. Anyways, so today, just gonna keep working on those cutlasses. I got some fine tuning to do on Blake's cutlass using the good old hand files. So, roll the intro and we'll jump right into this. Alright, so what I need to do, this right here, the tang, the tip, it's got a bit of a yoink out like so. So I gotta file that flat. I gotta file this flat and then put a bit of a taper in it. I'm gonna break the corners down so it doesn't cut you if you grab it wrong. So, files. You know what? I'm gonna see if I can get this to work on the grinder, because that's so much faster. So, I want to spice this conductors a bit more than I noticed hacking away on a tang with a file, so I realized it's been a while since you guys have seen the pond, so show you how that's coming along. I think it's been a while since you've seen the pond anyways. There's the gardens. Yeah, look at that. Nice and full now. It's really pretty. And are you an egret or an ibis? Some manner of large white bird. Yeah. The algae's already starting to kick back up again. Oh, well, it blew over from that side. Okay. I see. Oh, quick little just kind of thingy going on. Back to the grind, or in this case, the file. Actually, before I get back to work, I want to see what I can use for pommel material, because my original idea was to use some axle, because we got plenty of that. It's like, oh, the base of that could work. That's pretty thick. Because if the base metal is as big around as the tang is, then I need something bigger. Well, that could work. Barely. Maybe. Push comes to shove, we can just use this. Not sure what kind of steel it is. There. Or we could use that one. Or that one. Or we have another option that's hiding somewhere. We could also use this. Big stuff. May work. We'll figure out. Well, right, I would keep working, but I need to mow our ditches, and I don't want to die of exhaustion or heat, so I'm going to call it a day now. It's about 2:30 right now. We call it a day, so that way I can get the mowing done and be still somewhat conscious afterwards. I leave you guys on Snappy. Hey, buddy. Ain't he just the cutest? Well, if you like this video, then please consider liking and subscribing to see our future videos and to see how this project turns out. And that's really all for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time.